Can anyone make money online? I'm glad you should ask. There are so many ways to make money online. In this video, I'll share 5 of my favorite ways, and if you watch to the end, I'll share a bonus online business that will surprise you. But before I go into the various online businesses, let me say it's wise to choose a business that aligns with your passion or something you are good at or knowledgeable about. Regardless of the online business you start, you need to promote it so that people can find you and your business. You can promote your business through social media, email marketing, word of mouth, or paid advertisement. Here are the 5 popular ways to make money online today. Number 1 on my list is becoming a content creator. If you are passionate about creating content or love to share your life experiences, expertise, or message with the world, you can do so by creating a blog, a podcast, or a YouTube channel. You can also use other platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, now X. There are so many of them, so pick one that works best for you, your content, and your target audience. If you love online gaming, you can create content by streaming your gameplay on Twitch or similar platforms. Some gamers participate in esports competitions. Online gaming is also popular on YouTube. You can make money on these platforms through ads, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. With podcasting and online gaming, you can also get donations from your audience. Platforms like Patreon can help with the setting up of the donations feature. To be a successful content creator, make sure you make high quality content that is informative and engaging for your audience. This will help to attract new audiences and build trust. It takes time and effort to build a successful business with content creation, but it can be a great way to make money online. Just keep creating great content and promoting it, and eventually you'll see the results. Moving on to the second way to make money online, freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you have skills that you can offer to businesses and individuals. You can freelance as a writer, editor, graphic designer, or website developer, or anything else that you are good at. There are so many platforms where you can find freelance work, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. Freelancing is a great way to make money because you make your own schedule. You can even do the job at night or on weekends. If you have good writing and editing skills, you can offer content creation services to blogs, websites, or businesses. Some people write ebooks and self-publish them on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and earn royalties from the book sales. Do you have graphic design skills? If so, you can start a graphic design business. You can create logos and marketing materials for businesses or individuals. I paid my sister-in-law to design logos for our businesses, and one church pays her to design their flyers. Website development is another great business you can start if you know how to do it. Many years ago, my wife and I paid someone we found on Fiverr $300 to develop our cleaning business website. In this gig economy, all you need is to have the right skills and you get paid. A lot of content creators are paying people to edit their videos, create thumbnails for their content, or even to be their virtual assistants. There are a lot of freelance services you can provide to businesses and individuals and get paid good money. The third way to make money online is by creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject or field, you can create a course teaching the subject and sell the course online on platforms like Udemy, Thinkific, Coursera, Skillshare, Teachable, or Podia. These platforms make it easy for course creators to reach a global audience. I have taken courses on Udemy created by people from all over the world. I covered content creation and online courses in detail in my other video showing on your screen. I highly recommend it, especially if you are looking for ways to start a business but you have little or no money. By the way, like this video and share it with someone in your life who needs to hear this right now. That way they won't ask you for money in the future. Moving on to the fourth way to make money online, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by promoting other people's products, services, including online courses. When someone clicks on your affiliate link, and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. I recommend that you promote products and services that have lots of positive reviews from past customers. Also, it's better to promote products and services with high affiliate commissions in order to make more money. Some people only promote high price ticket items, for example, products or services that sell for more than $500 because they tend to pay high affiliate commissions. There are so many affiliate programs available, so you can find one that's best for you and your target customers. Affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Udemy, Coursera, ShareASale, Outbrain, Kajabi, and CJ Affiliate, among others. My wife uses Amazon Associates for her YouTube channel, The Clean Loft, where she shares house cleaning tips, hacks, and product reviews. Moving on to online business number 5, social media management. Many business owners need help managing their social media accounts. If you know how to create and manage social media content, you can start a social media management business. Look for businesses in your area that need help managing their social media accounts and become a solution to their problem. Some of them may not even know that they need help. So you can look for businesses that don't have social media presence and pitch them your services. Yes, there are businesses in your town right now that don't have online presence or social media accounts. You can manage their social media accounts and help them grow their online presence and clientele. Here is the bonus online business you can start today: stock photography. If you are a photographer, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Getty Pictures, Canva, or Adobe Stock. This is an easy way to get paid to do something you love. So there you have it, folks. 6 ways to make money online. With little creativity and effort, you too can make money online. Please note that it takes time, effort, and dedication to build a successful business online. Don't be discouraged if you don't see the results immediately. Beware of scams and get-rich-quick schemes. They are all over the internet nowadays. Do yourself a big favor by doing your own research when you hear something that sounds too good to be true, because it probably is. Remember, you may need to register your business or buy appropriate insurance to protect yourself and your business. Last but not least, always provide excellent service to your customers. This will help you build a positive reputation and gain referrals from satisfied customers, and your bank account will thank you. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.